Somebody starts a church, has a few cockroaches and lizards roaming in the classroom. He puts down chairs for them. He says, I'm an apostle.
Platform. No man of God, so now say there is nothing in that platform. You don't know what you are talking about, Dr.Mensah Otabil.
No longer heard because the quacks have saturated the market.
And I make up prophetic. Now, how many who say false teachers or we are dangerous, actually false prophets?
About 95% of people who call themselves prophets in Ghana are quacks.
Ebusia heap away a fresh beef between Dr.Mensah Otabil and Rev.Owusu Bempah. Hey, let's talk ghtrends. And then first time for PTR video, I'm say, subscribe and click on notification bell for latest updates. Now follow Facebook as Let's Talk ghtrends and TikTok so as Let's Talk ghtrends share video. I'm for share any comments there on or comment section ho edi amame. Ebusia Dr.Mensah Otabil sometime back can say there's no prophets bia or Ghana nyankopon kazim bia nchire obi. Nyankopon kan nsemu nchire obi a we say wo mu na nyankopon say na nyankopon say enye no kre eyatro na ye hu ne ye wa ma obi adi ye hu de ye ana Rev.Owusu Bempah be bantae no so wutimi mekeka kasa ye the respect ene ma wa say na no nche say beka say obi ani hu a nyankopon yi ne hu adi kire na na ene nsem ne be ye bi yes ate wa Dr.Mensah Otabil sad dia bebom we ne kan say that dilumba dia bebom or the another one asadu
is properly from the New Testament, then all kinds of charlatans, crooks, psychics, necromancers, and all kinds of assaulted, all kinds of people. What it does is that they mix it up and they destroy the good ones. They destroy the good ones. So it has to be defined and the boundaries have to be created. So you don't just get up and call yourself something. There is no vocation in the world where you get up and call yourself it. Tell me which vocation in the world that you get up and call yourself it. Somebody starts a church, has a few cockroaches and lizards roaming in the classroom. He puts down chairs for them and he says, I'm an apostle. Apostle? Do you know how? Do you know what an apostle is? But because there's no definition, people just get up and assign these things to themselves and allude to themselves. And so what happens is the right thing gets destroyed. The foundations are destroyed. The people who must be heard are no longer heard because the quacks have saturated the market. And I have said it, and I'll say it without any shadow of doubt, based on my knowledge of the scriptures, based on my knowledge of church history, which I have extensive knowledge of, based on my theological reasoning, based on my experiential observation, that about 95% of people who call themselves prophets in Ghana are quacks.
Ebusia Dr.Mensah Otabil or chiremwa say na man fakota anointing oyo maybe akwakoto cross maybe akoto way na mu de ye nyankoma de ni osini nyina ye fake hu hwinim hwehwehwehwe eni kutrem eyamframa cheze enya nkahwe what is it? And say a big muna do swama says ye hu your prophet papa ye hu ne ye ofinya me ye hu she what is ni nyina be ye ni so obi asore ya no man hudi Dr. Reverend wan nyasam ketu akram na asema papa ikaye minu nye no dia dan say wa mo obi adi na so Rev.Owusu Bempah ba we say hey so wo be can you do me the beba do we your word for word banter for banter enyasem ketu akra Rev.Owusu Bempah so say so mo gina de ebe ewo
Dr.Mensah Otabil menene nyadwen ewo niema bi anansa wa start kan and I'm going to face him ewo ahobrasiem obeka meba be kirem na mesman lift Nea me feel say Erade dia say yensa si enye ho adwuma. Ai di be gina nyame anim no abu ya tan wo ho. No. Ehifo no nyame starte eno mo kasaye. Ehifo no nyame starte fa o mo so eno mo nante ya adwuma e for prophets. Abraham, Bible friend a prophet. The Bible one friend the teacher. Moses, near friend a prophet. Anti-prophetic ministry. Any abakan, I saw it there.
My God.
I am building platform. No man of God, Jinaso now say there is nothing in that platform. You don't know what you are talking about, Dr.Mensah Otabil, with all respect. Baby, Dr.Mensah Otabil, Ujina na wu teach you. And then the church say, there is no power there. Oh no, ebi ya wuni eni. Ntu Sanka when Yankaba said there is power there. So Dr.Mensah Otabil, with all respect, one some now can Pacho Abayanka, Sisansam no can be before. Now next week, and I make up prophetic. Now I remember who said false teachers or we are dangerous, actually false prophets. Don't even can't me say 95% of Ghana prophets are fake. Me prove them now so boy. Say crowd was say any crowd will be who vision. But on no who vision. Now no be on my case who say soon a catom man so no any vision. Or see na me nyehwe say no e dey dey Israel. Papa ya respect you. But when you man was start here na dey. Yan tra honom say we be lift hold there. No collapse prophetic churches. Na duru time bia wo frɛ cockroaches. Na no bi o say nkrofo mu di adifo achi. O mu ye fools. Papa ya respect o pa. Me say pa kan yesem ye obi a me bu ade a. Kam so me gina nyame asem so akeka madwena kire o. Ghana ha osofo bia no ma me ni nya problem. Age obi a osoriti adifo. Ana obi a wo be kame. Say o pese sebe wo di atro to me so. Say o pese o bre me ministry ase ndia me mfa nche wo. Say me hu bibi no ma ba beka. Na pese o kire se de me kan nya no kure na mfiri nyame. Ene wo ye hwan me kama dwena kire wo. So o respect your office. Miss me respect my office. I appreciate you there no. Na me appreciate me there. Church memma obia mfa na dansem wei. E mane nya wo se ene major prophetic church ko. Mentie tie nsem na ya papa Dr.Mensah Otabil kan entie. The woman office ababo no afade am no memfa because the church members they break up prophetic meetings, prophetic gatherings. Ebi kura ba. So and I was be a branch. Was be a branch.
It's a prophetic church.
I'm the powerful prophet. Prophet I know. Were you powerful? One of the powerful prophets. I will Ghana ha. Wa be a branch amano. Were ne sofo. Prophet I know ne sofo penny and Dr.Mensah Otabil. Aso kassetia prophets. Aso so be branch at the prophet at one. Not just I want to open soul say Papa with all respect. Papa wa nya kan yesu nya account. Meaning say o ma onkrofo be twa be kire wo. Media me bu. But you are going too far. Mo bi nka so Bempah mu ade o. Ti wo pese wo kire me ze menya din. Na on kasa ne collapse prophetic move in this nation. Afekra na move no be kase.
Amen.
Afekra na prophetic eba be wo apostolic.
Amen.
What are you talking about?
Ebusiana chese de ekos we Christopher na onyame ma no what say nyame ma na echo mo ho na obi kwe ka na we abebanta obi si nyankopon frɛ bi mu what say bi mu hyeda ohun bi mu hyeda we tie stories na what da obi say na me call na so for the car say me cha no hotel what say prophets and some ni bi wa hotel to mu as ma doctor ken Dr.Mensah Otabil ken me kakra o mu ana me wa atase sanso na ye Rev.Owusu Bempah say debi eba se nyankopon nyam som ni ministry prophetic ministry ni dia omo obi an ho kwan se bra na be kaka de yo de atase nti we ni de o se ko be ye ni say word for word boot for boot o de ba me di be hia me di mani edi ensem na chi any update be for ba me di be bro me koso aka so be follow Facebook as Let's Talk GH and at TikTok also as Let's Talk GH now share video ama fofo abehwe me din edi na na eki asantoa makram